Everyone, hope you all are doing really well. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, we are going to start chapter number 10th of the novel The Railway Children by Edith Nesbit. Up till now, we are done with 9 chapters along with the detailed explanation with the key points and with a brief overview of each chapter individually. The videos are posted on the channel. You need to subscribe the channel and watch the videos for a clear understanding of each chapter individually. Last chapter was chapter number 9, that named as the Pride of Perks, in which we came to know that Perks was having his birthday, 32nd birthday he was having, and it was arranged by the three chimneys children, Roberta, Phyllis and Peter, along with the villagers, and they had a very good time. After a bit of tense situation, eventually in the end they had a very good time with each other. Now we are going to reveal or explore the chapter number 10th, that is the terrible secret. Let us find out that what is this chapter all about, and also let me tell you one thing, that we are heading towards the end of the chapter because we are left with the few chapters only, and eventually we will be done with this beautiful journey of the railway children. Anyway, let's start chapter 10. Chapter 10 of Edith Nesbit's classic novel, The Railway Children, titled The Terrible Secret. What is this secret all about? We will going to learn in a few moments. Centers on the heavy emotional silence surrounding their missing father, a developing fear that he might be forgotten, and an accidental quarrel that leads to Peter injuring his foot. So it was a brief overview. Let me break down this chapter for you in the form of some key points. The number one is the silence about father. The children notice that mentioning their father makes their mother look very sad. To protect her feelings, Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis stop talking about him out loud. Mother worries they are forgetting him, which upsets Bobby. Bobby tells her mother they still talk about him in secret and love him deeply. Actually, children observed that whenever they talked about their father, their mother gets upset and sad. So, in order to protect her from being sad in this situation, they stopped talking to him regarding their father. On the other hand, mother was thinking that they are forgetting their father. Bobby, being the eldest one, cleared the situation that they have not forgotten their father. Rather, they keep talking about him in secret. Next come gardening and the quarrel. The children spend time on small gardening projects near their home. Three chimneys, tension and stress build up inside the house due to their hidden worries. Bobby and Peter get into a heated argument over who gets to use the garden rake. During the angry scuffle, Peter accidentally steps on hits his foot with the rake, hurting himself badly. Then comes the aftermath and relief. Bobby feels intense guilt, fearing Peter's foot is permanently damaged. The local doctor arrives to examine Peter and reassures everyone that he will heal fine. The chapter highlights how fragile their family life is and how hard the children try to keep peace while carrying emotional pain. Actually, there was a dispute and argument between Bobby and Peter, and as a result, Peter got his foot injured. Bobby was very much guilty, but somehow the doctor came to examine him and declared that he is all fine and he is going to heal soon. But from this situation we came to know that although they are very determined and they are the children who does not open up about their feelings easily, but still they are carrying so much emotional pain in their hearts. Obviously their father is missing, they do not have any information, their mother does not tell anything, they have lost their comfortable life and started to live a completely and totally different life which they never had it before. So these all the things are having a burden on them which they do not share with anybody, but still they it is impacting on their behavior and on their health as well, emotional health especially. In chapter 10th of The Railway Children, titled The Terrible Secret, the tension surrounding the absence of the children's father becomes palpable. The siblings Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis initially talked often about their father when they moved to Three Chimneys. However, sensing their mother's sadness, they gradually ceased during him, believing it caused her distress. One day, while serving her mother tea in her workshop, Bobby learns that their mother worries if they are forgetting their father, to which Bobby unveils an emotional struggle between the children wanting to remember their father while protecting their mother from pain. The conversation prompts a more profound realization for Bobby and her mother, who shares that they are enduring a great sorrow beyond missing their father. This moment fosters a poignant bond as they reassesses how they express their grief and love. Bobby internalizes her mother's words but struggles with understanding the weight of the secret the burdens their family that burdens their family. Despite her attempts to keep the peace at home, conflicts arise between Bobby and Peter over their individual gardening projects, leading to a serious accident when Peter injures his foot with a rake during a quarrel. As the children deal with the aftermath of the injury, their relationship begins to shift, marked by reflections on their earlier quarrels as Bobby expresses guilt about Peter's injury. The arrival of the doctor reassures them that Peter will recover, but the incident reinforces the fragile nature of their family dynamics. As the chapter concludes, the focus shifts to Bobby, where she inadvertently uncovers a distressing truth about her father, a trial verdict declaring him guilty and sentenced to 5 years of penal servitude, further complicating their family situation and leaving Bobby. Actually, what happened in this chapter, children realize that whenever they talk about their father in front of the mother, so mother started to feel distressed, sad, and worried. So they thought that they should not talk about their father. On the other hand, mother was thinking that they started to forgetting their father, but Bobby cleared the situation that they are not forgetting their father. How could it possible? But they are reluctant to speak about him in front of her because she gets distressed. Then we came to know that Bobby and Peter were gardening and having a gardening project, but there was a dispute between them, and as a result, Bobby hurt Peter and he injured his foot. Then Bobby was too much guilty for her act, and Peter was reassured by the doctor that he is going to be well soon. But all this emotional turmoil was not that much good for their family, and in the end, we came to know that Bobby is now aware about their missing father, and also that he is sentenced to a punishment of 5 years of prison, and this completely left the further complicating their family situation. And now from now onwards, how they are going to cope up with the situation, whether their father will be free, he will be out, he will be proved innocent or not, we will read in the chapters ahead. I hope that this one is clear to you, and still if you are having any difficulty, you can ask me in comment section. Till the next video, take a very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.